which join types exist and what are the differences between them. And it's a fairly simple question. You just need to read about them like once and try each one of these joins. Yeah, and they're pretty straightforward, so we'll quickly cover them. So the first join type is inner join, and it's one of the most widely used join types. And it works like this. We take two tables and join them based on a certain key. And as a result, we get only matching rows from both tables. Another type is left join. So basically, we take all rows present in the left table and only the matching rows from the right table. For those rows that are present in left table but did not find a match in the right table, the columns from the right table will get null values. The right join works in the same way as a left join, but we take all rows from the right table and only matching rows from the left table. Next type is full outer join, and here we get all rows from both tables. And for the rows that are, for example, present in left table but missing in the right table, for the columns coming from the right table, we will get null values. Another join type that is not actually widely used, but it's good to know about it, and there are some use cases when it will come in handy. The cross join, basically it works as a Cartesian product, and which means, for example, for each row in table A, we will match it against all rows in table B. And it will result in a huge table, because for each row from one table, we'll get all rows from the other table. So you can see how huge the table will be after we perform this type of join. Another join is semi-join. For this join type, we get only rows from left table that have a match in the right table. And the fair question here to ask is, how is it different to the inner join? I'll try to answer this question with a quick and simple example. Let's say we have two tables, products and reviews. In products table, we have product ID and product name. In reviews, we have review ID, product ID to match it with the product, and some other review fields. And let's say we do an inner join here. And if we have a product with ID 1 that has two reviews and we perform inner join on it, in the resulting table we will have two rows for this product, because one row from products table matches two rows from reviews table, and as a result we get two rows here. But if we do a semi-join here, we will still get only one row from the products table. So basically the goal of semi-join is to just perform a filtering, for example, to get only products that have at least one review. And when we do semi-join, we are not interested in the columns in the left table, but we just want to get rows from left table that have a match in the right table. And the final join type that I'll mention is anti-join, and this one is just an opposite of semi-join. Basically, we will get rows from the left table that do not have a match in the right table. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, and happy coding!